or trend, and there is no doubt that we might drop further down. But before you panic sell or before you exit the market, let me give you my reasons and my thesis why I believe that we might see, or I'm also hoping for, a bounce. Right now, if I zoom out of the charts, you would see that this is the trend that will be holding right from 2023. You see that Bitcoin has been bullish, very, very massively bullish on the daily. So we just broke down this support trend because we previously had two touches, and this is the third touch we had in this trend. You can see that price went to the upside just a bit, reaching the highs of 67k before deviating back down, breaking this trend. So I'm actually aiming for this support level at $56,000, because if you look to the previous price data, you see that this was actually the level that price bounced right off of before we had this impulsive rally. Now there is a possibility that price might come down to this demand level and react, and some buyers might step in at this level. So I'm actually looking for a possible bounce at this level, because if I pull up my stochastic RSIs, we see that on the daily we are right overly oversold on the daily, and the stochastic and the regular RSI is giving us a divergence. I think I talked about this divergence on my previous video, so if you know watch, click down on my channel and watch that video. So the weekly RSI is creating a bullish divergence, and the daily RSI is creating a bullish divergence, then in confluence with the stochastic RSI that has been oversold. So right now I'm hoping for a possible bounce at this level, because we could have those sharp spike to the downside, react at this level, then we see a possible bounce in no time. So this is what I'm actually waiting for Bitcoin. So I'm hoping for a bounce. Where is my I'm hoping for a possible bounce at this level, then maybe we'll slowly see price creep towards the downside. For me to confirm that we are no longer bearish is for price to test this previous trend as support once again, because we recently deviated below this trend. So for price to be testing this trend as support, then giving me a confirmation to go long, then I'll be looking forward to actually maybe place a trade at this point. But for now, I'll be looking forward to open a long position, just because of these indicators I'm seeing right here, the bullish divergence about to play out. You remember I told you guys that whenever you see price creating lower lows and the RSI is creating a higher lows in confluence with support and resistance, it gives us a bullish divergence. And this bullish divergence, as far as is on the daily time frame, you can also see an 60 to 70% chance of this divergence playing out. So I'm looking forward to take a buy on Bitcoin at these levels at 56k. So that is it for this analysis. If you like this sort of content, do make sure to like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.